Travis with UTV Window Tint. Today I'm working on a Kawasaki Ridge. I want to show you the heat rejection benefits of our ceramic film. We have 3 levels of film. We have carbon, we have ceramic, and we have our apex. So carbon's going to block a little bit of heat, upwards of about 40 to 50%. Ceramic is going to block about upwards of 77%, and our apex is going to block 93%. So today I'm holding a watt meter. It's not very warm yet, but actually this is a watt and BTU meter. So I'm going to show you the BTUs facing towards the sun are probably reading about 220. So that's heat. We measure our heaters in our house at BTUs, so that's heat coming in. So I want to show you, this is tinted with 20% ceramic on the rear window, and I want to show you how much heat is rejected. So I'm pointing it at the sun and we're at 12. So we still could go to our apex film and get even more heat rejection. But what that means for you as the end user after installing window tint on your Kawasaki Ridge is you're going to get ultimate heat rejection. So it's going to make your air conditioning work better. You don't have to necessarily go with dark windows to get heat rejection. You can go to a 70% Pro Nano film and get 88% heat rejection, which is going to be exactly what we just indicated here with this BTU meter. So check out UTV Window Tint. We are a tint company that sells window tint kits. So I actually tinted these 2 machines that you see today with the film, so I know that these fit. I have high quality film. Check us out at UtvWindowTint.com.